Alright, acceptance. Yes. You get that? Yes. That's acceptance. That easy. Voluntary act by the offeree that shows assent to the terms of the offer. Will you paint my house? Yes. Alright. You have to have unequivocal acceptance, which we've already talked about. This is the mirror image rule. Silence. Generally, silence will not be good enough for acceptance unless there's already some sort of agreement where the parties have agreed to that. Communication. In a bilateral contract, communication of acceptance is necessary because acceptance is in the form of a promise. I promise to sell you my house if you promise to give me $100. It's a great deal. That acceptance has to be communicated to the offeror. Mode and timeliness of acceptance. Acceptance must be timely. If you remember, an offer is generally open for a reasonable amount of time. It's an objective theory, unless there's some other reason to keep it open. So, how long do you have to accept? Well, it's a reasonable amount of time. Okay. Mailbox rule. This is great stuff. Bottom line with the mailbox rule: acceptance takes effect at the time the offeree sends or delivers the communication by the mode expressly or impliedly authorized by the offeror. Basically, when you put acceptance in the mailbox contract, that's just acceptance now. When you put acceptance in the mailbox contract. Alright? Authorized means of acceptance. Means of communicating acceptance can be expressly authorized. The only way to accept this contract is to send us a fax to this phone number before such and such time. If you send them a mail, is this acceptance? No. When in doubt, read the directions. When the preferred means of acceptance is not indicated, you can do whatever is reasonable under the circumstances. Now, check this out. When the authorized means of acceptance is not used, it is not good until such time as it is received by the offeror. Okay? So, if you're going to do acceptance, do it like the contract says. Otherwise, it is not good until such time as it is actually received by the offeror.